Hey guys, come with me, let's make butternut squash for the first time. Okay guys, I won't be talking too much, just watch the video and you will understand everything. Okay guys, it's just few ingredients, you don't need much to do it. I'll be adding crayfish, red oil, maggi, salt and spinach. I'll be using spinach for my vegetable. Okay guys, just watch through the video and you understand. I don't want the video to be too long. Okay,